कि अपेलेंट नंबर 2 हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ SIC, आपने उसको इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दिया। जब वो सुने, प्लीज सुने, जब वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर हो गया आपके कहने पे वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर हो गया। उसे कहा चलो भाई ECP ने मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर किया है, अब उस 3 डे पीरियड में मैं अपनी पार्टी ज्वाइन करता हूँ। 2 दिन पहले आप उस पर हंस रहे हैं कि ये किस तरह हो सकता है। भाई ये नॉर्मली विच सीम्स एब्सर्ड ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट आपने क्रिएट की। आपने उसको इंडिपेंडेंट कहा, उसकी बुनियाद पे उसने इलेक्शन लड़ा। लॉजिकली फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम दैट ही सेड आई एम जॉइनिंग माय ओन पार्टी। आप कह रहे हैं जी किस तरह हो सकता है, ये तो नॉर्मली
because I was trying permission.
Please go ahead, have the whole bottle actually.
I'll be a different person.
You are election
Sorry.
ये जो आप बार-बार कह रहे हैं, we recognize the election commission as a constitutional body.
Yes, sir.
But merely holding elections is not enough. In a democracy,
I don't need this.
आप मेरा सवाल सुन ही नहीं रहे।
I beg your pardon, sir. I beg your pardon. I'm fully focused on what my lord is saying, ji. I beg your pardon.
When we talk about democracy and we talk about elections is that mechanism whereby the will of the people is expressed. If there is any question on the integrity of that electoral process, then where does the buck stop? The Election Commission of Pakistan. It cannot say that so and so lawyer made a mistake, so and so candidate made a mistake. Now coming back to this serial 22,
Ji.
how this particular candidate, did he acquire a seat in the assembly as a candidate of the political party or as an independent?
On serial number 22, my lord.
Serial number 12, 20,
as in
22 पे आप आ जाएं।
As an independent, my lord.
एक second, independent, how independent? He did not withdraw.
And he did not withdraw in writing. उसमें लिखा हुआ है मैंने ये KP में।
What does that mean in writing? Some form to withdraw?
I'll explain it, Leadership. This was all happening on the 13th, and I am making this statement under instruction.
चेयरमैन किस तरह हो सकता है?
ये देखें ना,
मुनासिब बात है।
सर मैं सिकंदर साहब
ECP की बात कर रहा हूँ।
सिकंदर देखें इसमें पेज नंबर
अच्छी बात नहीं है।
पेज नंबर 2 ये जो
Can I finish my last formulation?
Page number 2.
Reading my last formulation.
पेज नंबर 2 पे इनके
My lord the Chief Justice.
इन साहब के जो डिक्लेरेशन है, जरा सवाल
May
सुनिए।
I read my last
सिकंदर
formulation?
प्लीज।
I have a different way of doing things, but I like to hear counsel. I can make up my own mind. चलिए आप बता दें because we are hearing.
हमें 2 बातें बताएं।
Sir.
If I may follow on from my question.
Sir.
22/12/2023 को who was the president of Pakistan? Name him. Name him.
Ji, Mr. Arif Naqvi, sir. Dr. Arif.
Dr.
Alvi.
You got the name right. I think so. And was it a political government in the field or in office, or was it a caretaker government?
Caretaker government.
And a caretaker government is supposed to be neutral or partial?
Neutral.
As neutral as you are?
As neutral as I am.
As independent as you are?
As independent as I am.
As much lovers of democracy as you are?
Absolutely.
As much defenders of free, fair, independent elections as you are?
I don't defend the faith, my lord. I just